Hello everyone. In this video, I show you how to name your PDFs according to your queries or questions. First, you open the form in which you want to add the name. Go to settings. Here you can select the question. For example, I'm selecting name. And then you can also add few more letters here and then follow this. That the spaces are ignored, or rather you should use underscore. So for example, I've chosen name as the question, and then I can like PDF underscore emp. You save this up, show you the form. Submitted. Once you go to responses, you can view the responsives here. Click on download. Here you can see that the name is on the basis of what query and then what we wanted to add.